Hey everyone. If you're looking to boost your nonprofit's impact through email marketing, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share 6 crucial techniques to elevate your email game and drive more donations, engage volunteers, and amplify your mission. Around that, Dave. First up, make your emails visually engaging. And why? Because in a world flooded with digital content, visuals help you stand out. Use branded colors, high-quality images, and infographics to make your emails pop. A nonprofit focused on environmental conservation saw a 30% increase in donor engagement by incorporating stunning visuals. Next, segment your email subscribers. Not all your supporters are the same, so tailor your messages to different groups. This leads to higher open rates and more targeted appeals. For instance, an education non-profit increased recurring donations by 20% through personalized campaigns. Third, optimize your subject line. A strong subject line can make or break your email success. Use action-oriented language, personalize when possible, and create a sense of urgency. A year-end campaign saw a 15% higher open rate with an urgent subject line. Fourth, diversify your email content. Don't just ask for donations. Share success stories, impact reports, and volunteer opportunities to keep your audience engaged. A health-focused nonprofit increased email engagement by 25% by mixing in monthly health tips and stories. Fifth, highlight matching gift opportunities. These can double or even triple donation. Clearly explain matching gifts in your emails and use strong calls to action. An education non-profit boosted their campaign donations by 40% using this strategy. Finally, track and analyze key metrics. Monitor open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to understand what's working and what's not. This data-driven approach helps refine your strategies for better results. There you have it. 6 crucial techniques to supercharge your nonprofit's email marketing. Remember, understanding your audience